I'm Nicola Hope. I'm a practicing artist in the Vale of Glamorgan, and I've just recently completed a postgraduate year at the Royal Drawing School in London. The exhibition is a show of works by myself and Sarah Hope, and it features drawings and paintings made from performances in Wales. So that covers Welsh National Opera, circus, National Theatre of Wales, rehearsals and performances. We began drawing dancers in the Royal Drawing School in London. When we came back to Wales, we were lucky enough to start drawing as visiting artists for Welsh National Opera, so we were able to continue that interest in movement and performance. And over the years we've drawn and painted various productions and rehearsals, dancers and singers, and also worked with other companies, even from grassroots. So when we're drawing performance, it's very fast and in the moment, and you want to capture the energy and the voice of that performance. I personally like using very fluid materials like ink or watercolour. I want to work fast and just try and capture the essence on paper. My favourite pieces are the watercolours I've made from rehearsals of The Cunning Little Vixen, which was a production at Welsh National Opera. I love the playfulness. I like anything that combines human and animal characters. I really like the autumnal colours of the production, so for me personally that was a favourite. I think it's a good thing to celebrate performance in Wales. We've got really strong companies, so grassroots right up into like the big production companies. I think that it encourages people to think about going to see performance, but also about how we have different ways of looking at things. So we have photographs, but drawing a performance gives it a different voice and a different way of seeing something.